Now, today the chapter of neural control and coordination. The functions of organs and organ system in our body must be coordinated to maintain homeostasis. Coordination is the process through which two or more organs interact and complement the functions of one another. For example, when we do physical exercise, the energy demand is increased for maintaining and increased muscular activity. The supply of oxygen is also increased. The increase of supply of oxygen O2 is necessity and increase in the rate of respiration. You are aware of respirations, taking oxygen, and as a result of that energy is formed and to expel carbon dioxide from the body. Heartbeat and increased blood flow via blood vessels. When physical exercise is stopped, the activities of lungs, heart, and kidney gradually return to their normal conditions. Thus, the functions of the muscles, lungs, heart, blood vessels, kidney, these are the most important organs of our body, and other organs are coordinated while performing physical exercises. In our body, the neural systems and the endocrine systems jointly coordinated and integrate all the activities of the organs so that the functions of in a synchronized functions. The neutral system provides an organized network of point-to-point connections for a quick coordination. The endocrine systems provides chemical integration through the hormones. Here we learned about neural systems of human mechanism of neural coordination like transmission of nerve impulse. And you very well, a normal person's heartbeat is 72 times in a per minute. Impulse constructions across is synapses. And you all aware that the brain has three parts. One is forebrain, middle brain, and hind brain. One is quick reflex actions. Another is whatever you remember, which is in your other parts. And third one is for more durable. And that's why brain is one of the most important vital organs of the body.